jammers. Hold on, let me take off my mouse cursor. The screen. Okay, so I have something for Panda here.
No, I don't know how to trade.
I do. It's easy. It takes a minute. Anyway, I have to trade her some stuff because she has a table now, and I am giving her something so we can all sit down and we can all chat once Kitty gets online.
Yay! This is a bad deal, but okay.
No, it's not a bad deal. Bow and arrows are rare. That's like they're hard to find.
I mean, like, it's a bad deal for you, but
I don't care. I didn't want it.
thank you guys. Trailer.
Wait, what?
Coming.
What happened? You said you canceled the trade.
Wait, I did?
Yeah, apparently you said you couldn't trade right now.
Oh, wait.
Try that again.
Trade. So.
Perfect.
Cindy, you coming?
Come on, hurry up. Where's homie? Oh man. Oh my god. I know what we need to do.
What?
Okay, so and during while we're recording, wait 1 second. Our mascots. You know the boos?
Oh.
It needs to be mascots.
Oh. What?
You see a little boos? Like your lion and my raccoon, and Maggie has one. She has a cat.
Hold up.
I'll be right back, y'all. Y'all just hang in there for a minute.
Phil, my lion.
Sure.
You shouldn't have a panda.
Okay, guys, I am back. Okay, good news! My faithful jammers! I am doing questions and answers from now on. Squee! How exciting is that? So now, from now on, you guys can have questions. I'll have questions to answer. How exciting! From now on, you guys can send me stuff. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Good. Yep. Let's go off for a bit. Taylor?
Okay. Okay, so.
But I like starting up a collection, just so you know.
Mm-hmm.
I misclicked. 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 And what else here?
Raccoons is my life.
Relaxing. How to look at kittens. And load. Triangle. Please start. Okay, I'm just gonna failing.
Hello. Okay, so let's keep going.
Stop looking at that! That ain't creepy. That looks like a big purple bunny. That's what it is. It doesn't look like a big bunny.
Oh, that was funny.
It looks like a stuffy. Like a big.
Okay, here's some good updates. Shh. Have you guys ever noticed the if you ever touch the games thing, I have to refresh. It's not one. It's slowing.
Did you buy that claw? No, from the store. What store?
So after my internet Wi-Fi turned back on, I'll pause this video and go back on when my internet. Okay, finally got my internet back to working as you knew, as I had to turn off my internet, so yeah, I had to turn it back on.
Chicken.
What are you doing, Kitty? Like you're right there. That's not funny.
Chicken. This is what I'm seeing. I'm about to. What the? That's a strawberry chicken.
So, guys, we will be sitting at the table. She's good. Are you at her place yet?
No, I have to reload.
Alright,
guys, it's the end of this episode. I shall see you guys in the next episode. Remember to leave a like, and if we can get to 5 likes, I guess we'll try to do something else. And comment down below anything you want to help me with, anything you want to just improve. And I shall see you guys in the next episode.
question and answers!
Boom.
Sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I had to say something.
Hey, you wanna know what?
Shannon, bye.
Chickens.